Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Jenna WEIR. If you are new, please remember to hit that subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching my videos. It means a lot and it makes me very happy. This video this week is something very exciting. I was approached by COCO and Eve, which is an amazing company that does a lot of like hair and like body products. I ended up choosing the That's a Wrap bundle. If you've been watching my videos, you've seen my journey. I used to be bleach blonde, full highlight, and then I've gone brunette, which is more of my natural root color. I just really wanted to make my hair healthier. These products from COCO and Eve definitely have so much hype. I've seen so many posts about them on Instagram, so many influencers using this hair mask that I will show you. Let's get to it. I will give you a bit more information as to what comes in the bundle, and I will unbox it with you and give you more detail and then show you how to use it on your hair. I just wanted to say thank you so much to COCO and Eve. It really is so exciting that someone actually approached little old me. I'm very grateful, but I will give you my honest review of their products. I will put my code down below. It's JENNA, all in capital letters. It gives you 10% off all of their products on the website. They were kind enough to send me this bundle package here. It comes with a hair mask, a little comb, and a hair wrap. I got That's a Wrap bundle. So on here right now it looks like they're having a sale. It's $39.90. It's originally $59.70, but you could also buy some of these products separately. I will link everything down below for you. At the moment you could get a free hair wrap, which would be amazing because who doesn't like free products? The first product that comes in the That's a Wrap bundle is this COCO and Eve two-tiered tangle tamer, which is really nice. I do have quite tangly hair. Having this little detangler is good, especially before a mask. You want to make sure you have no knots in your hair. I've seen people also on Instagram using it to scoop the mask out and apply it in their hair, so maybe I'll try it that way. We'll see. I'll try it both ways because normally when I apply a mask to my hair I use my hands, but since that comes in the bundle I might as well try it and let you know which works better. Then I got this hair wrap. It's called the Deluxe Microfiber Towel Wrap. The microfiber towel says it's a soft, super water absorbent microfiber hair towel. Wrap in signature COCO and Eve leaf print. Dries hair quickly and easily, drastically reducing blow dry time. I've always wanted a towel head wrap. Normally I just stick my big body towel on my hair. I think it's also better for your hair. It's not pulling on your scalp, which can also break your hair and thin it out. This is what it looks like. It's quite long and it has like a little button on the front. The back has toggle that you can just attach it to, so that should be interesting for me to put on. Then it's one of the most talked about item that I've seen all over Instagram. It's the COCO and Eve Like a Virgin hair mask. So it's a super nourishing coconut and fig hair mask. It's sulfate free, 100% vegan, cruelty free, PETA approved, gluten free, and ethically sourced. So a whole bunch of really good things. On the back of the box it says infused with coconut, fig, shea butter, linseed, and argan oil to help strengthen and get hair back its pure virgin state. Our supercharged formula delivers hydration from root to tips, nourishing hair damaged by heat, styling, dyes, and the environment. Helps improve hair texture by targeting frizz, covering split ends, and adding gloss. So there's a lot this mask says it's gonna do. I'm really interested to see if it does live up to the hype of what it's saying, and also what I've heard all over social media. This is what the package looks like. It's 212 milliliters of product in here. This is what they suggest on how to use the hair mask. It says shampoo as normal, then evenly distribute a generous amount of product to towel dried hair. Leave for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Use 1 to 2 times a week. I'm gonna do what it says on the instruction. I want to just get the result that they recommend. I'm gonna go shampoo my hair. That was a task and a half with makeup on. In an ideal world I probably wouldn't have had my makeup done already, but we move, it's fine. I've shampooed my hair and it is towel dry. I'm just gonna use the brush that's in the That's a Wrap bundle. Oh, that smells really nice. I really like that smell. You definitely can smell the shea butter and a bit of coconut. To be honest, I don't know what fig smells like. I couldn't tell you if it smells of figs. It's not overpowering as well. It won't give you a headache because it's not too strong. I'm really excited to use it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try to use it with the comb because that's just what I've seen people do. So I just got like that much out. The texture of it is quite thick and creamy. Like this, you know, is going to be a good hydrating mask. I'm going to start mid-length. Yeah, I'm just gonna like brush that throughout. I think I want to focus a lot on the ends though. That's where all of the split ends happen and the damage. Honestly, right now the product has gone through really nice. Oh my god, look at that. It like already looks so nice and it feels so soft. I think I already love the texture of it in my hair right now, so I'm hoping it lives up to what it feels like at the moment. So I think on this side of my hair I'm going to use this, and then on this side I'll try using my hand. If it goes wrong, I'll just go back to using this brush because I think that's like the best way to use it. I'm going to apply a bit more, start at the top this time just to get some on my root area. Make sure you get everywhere. Make sure you get the under bit. So I think I've got enough product. My hair is not thick enough to do sections, so if you have thicker hair, I would suggest you probably do the top bit, tie it up, and then do the bottom bits, and then do the top bit after. On this side, I'm going to just see what happens if I put it in my hands. Like it feels nice, but I don't like it. You definitely need to use the brush. Plus, also when you use the brush, it's making sure it's getting through all of your hair strands. If something is recommended together, if you want the best results, you need to use everything that they recommend for the main part. And I'm not like just saying that. I've never ever used a hair mask with a comb, so maybe that's why, but this feels so amazing when you brush it through. And it just smells so nice. I feel like a kid on Christmas right now. Like I'm really excited to see what this result is going to be. Definitely know why there's a hype for this hair mask. Just by applying it in my hair right now, it just feels so smooth. So I'm excited. I know I keep saying it, but I am really excited to see what it looks like after. I didn't even use that much product, so you're definitely going to be able to use this hair tin for a lot of uses. The hard part is going to be getting this hair towel on, I think. I'm not very coordinated that way. I'm gonna like flip my head upside down. Twist it. Oh my god, my head looks so big. Yeah, for anyone who doesn't know me, I've got a big head. It literally just runs in my family. My brother has a huge head. My mom has a massive head. Sorry mom, but you do. We just have big heads in our family. But hey, that's what makes us different. Right, so that feels like it's on there. Honestly, just get your hair into the towel as best you can. I honestly couldn't tell you a good technique. You just watched me do that. But yeah, it looks really cute. I'm gonna leave it now for 10 minutes. So it is now 3:55. I don't know if you can see that. So at 4:05, rinse it off. I will see you in 10 minutes. So I have just rinsed out the hair mask. A good idea to rinse it out, especially a lot of like nourishing conditioners or shampoos or hair masks. Make sure to rinse with your hair upside down so that you don't get any on your back, because you probably will start to get a few breakouts. Makeup stayed on for the most part, so that's a plus. Like I have no tangles, which is amazing, especially when you're trying to keep every inch of your hair on your head. I'm gonna blow dry and then I will come back to you. Okay guys, honestly, I'm like not even trying to be biased. I would tell you if this was not worth it, but oh my god, look at that shine. I haven't even put any oil into my hair and my ends look so healthy. My hair just feels so soft and smooth. I'm just so happy that I've tried this mask because now this is definitely going to be a part of my new hair care routine. I think what I'm going to do is I wash my hair twice a week anyway, so I'm literally just going to use it every time I shower and wash my hair. Who would not want to have this shine? I'm trying to like show you guys. If their hair mask is like this, like I can only imagine what their other products are going to be like. If you do want to use a code to get you 10% off all products, it's JENNA, capital JENNA. Anyways, if you enjoyed my video this week, please remember to subscribe to my channel. As well, remember to give it a thumbs up and hit that notification bell up top so that you can see more videos by me. Have a lovely week, and I will see you all next Sunday. Bye!